Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for the most significant air fryer on the market? Look no further. Air fryers are a revolutionary way to cook healthier, delicious meals with minimal oil. It will surely become your go-to kitchen appliance with a larger capacity, more cooking options, and quicker cooking times. With their impressive cooking capacities and advanced cooking technology, the largest air fryers can cook up to a full meal for the whole family. In this video, we'll take a closer look at these large-scale models, exploring their features, benefits, and more. So if you're ready to switch to healthier frying, keep watching to learn more about the biggest air fryers on the market today. Let's begin with the best for the price, Ultrene Air Fryer. This appliance is essential for anyone who wants to consume healthier fried foods because of its potent dehydrating function and ability to cut fat content by up to 80%. The one-touch LED control panel and 8 preset cooking options make it simple to prepare a wide variety of foods, and the 12.5 quart capacity enables you to prepare delectable meals for the entire family. It's also straightforward to clean because you can either place it in the dishwasher and let it do the work for you, or rinse away any leftover oils and food. Even though some of the letters on the menu might be difficult to read, this is a minor problem compared to the many advantages this air fryer offers. Overall, if you're interested in leading a healthier lifestyle while enjoying delicious fried foods without feeling guilty, the Ultrene Air Fryer is an excellent investment that you should consider making. And the next one is the best versatile, Caloric Max Digital Air Fryer. Experience the exhilaration of lightning-fast cooking performance and assemble entire meals in a fraction of the time that is typically required. The digital interface is straightforward to use, offering 21 different presets for the various items on the menu. These presets guarantee that every dish, including the deliciously crispy French fries, onion rings, and many other options, will be strict as intended. The Max has an exceptionally high capacity at 26 quarts, making it an excellent choice for multi-person households and families. Additionally, it features multiple rack levels, which enable you to cook a variety of foods at the same time as well as prepare large meals that are suitable for a family. The only issue is that the vent in the back of the air fryer could aim at the wall, which would cause the wall to become warm. And the next one is the best convenient, Cosori Air Fryer. The Cosori Air Fryer is an essential kitchen appliance for rotisserie chicken and other dishes. This air fryer toaster oven has a capacity of 32 quarts, 30 liters, and can hold a 13-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, or an entire rotisserie chicken. When you use the smart air fryer toaster oven, you may reduce the time you spend cooking. On the other hand, the door does not go all the way down, which makes it a little bit difficult to put the baking pan inside the oven or take it out again after using it. You can achieve a speedy and consistent cooking procedure using the convection fan, especially if you want the end products to be crisp. You can also consult the included 100 recipe book and the 6 accessories, which include a crumb tray, fry basket, food tray, wire rack, and rotisserie fork set for additional ways to prepare food. Still haven't found a biggest air fryer that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The next one is the best quality, Comfy Retro Air Fry. The Comfy Retro Air Fry is a versatile and convenient cooking appliance that combines 7 functions into one compact toaster oven. It's designed to take up less space on your countertop, which makes it ideal for small kitchens. The toaster oven has a wide temperature range, from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it easy to cook all types of foods perfectly. This product has an air fry function, which generates less fat than traditional deep frying, allowing you to enjoy your favorite fried foods while keeping the health benefits. The 1500W toaster oven ensures fast and even heat distribution, making it easy to achieve crispy and crunchy results every time. The minor downside is its small LED display, which could make it difficult to read the cooking time, temperature, and functions, but it's not a big deal, so there's no need to worry about that. And the next one is the best adjustable, Crown Full 19 Quart Air Fryer. The Crown Full 19-quart air fryer is a revolutionary kitchen gadget that combines the advantages of a conventional air fryer with those of a toaster oven. It can cook a total of 19 quarts of food at once. You can enjoy crispy and crunchy food without the additional calories and fats that come with deep frying, thanks to its innovative technology that circulates hot air in a 360-degree ring. The 10-in-1 presets make cooking quick and simple, and the 19 quarts, 18-liter size is ideal for preparing vast quantities of food or feeding an entire family at once. The associated cookbook and accessories offer even more suggestions for delectable meals that may be prepared in the kitchen. Plus, the non-stick surface and the capacity to clean the exterior and interior with a moist cloth make cleanup much more straightforward than conventional ways of deep frying. Unfortunately, the fan can get a little noisy sometimes, but it's not a big deal. And the next one is the best easy-to-clean NuWave Bravo air fryer. With this product, you can independently customize the top and bottom heaters and the convection fan for authentic surround cooking. The Linear T maintains the program temperature precisely throughout the cooking process by continuously monitoring temperature variations and constantly adjusting every second to ensure flawless results. Bravo will continuously monitor the internal temperature of your food and will automatically terminate the cooking process once the food has reached the desired internal temperature. The carryover cooking mode compensates for the additional cooking that will inevitably occur after the cooking process. Unfortunately, it has no off switch, so you must unplug it to turn it off manually. However, it will turn off if no action is taken for a predetermined period or the timer expires. And our winner today is Cuisinart TOA 60W Air Fryer. It's best overall on all biggest air fryers that we researched. The Cuisinart TOA 60W Air Fryer has a large capacity so you can quickly cook a chicken wing 4 pounds or a pizza 12 inches in diameter, making it ideal for preparing meals for families. Other helpful features include an adjustable timer thermostat and a toast shade selector timer, which enable you to cook your food to the ideal level of doneness. Utilizing the air fryer setting is an excellent way to enjoy delicious fried foods while reducing fat consumption. In addition, the oven light and non-stick interior make it very easy to clean up after using the oven. Even though the timer isn't always accurate, this is a relatively minor complaint considering the other advantages of using this appliance. In general, the Cuisinart TOA 60W Air Fryer is an essential appliance for anyone who wants to reduce the time spent preparing meals while simultaneously preparing delicious and healthy foods. Okay, that's all for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to smash the like button to subscribe. And please tell us which products you would like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of the products featured today. If you want to see more helpful tips, guides, and gear to enjoy the benefits of the great outdoors, all that great stuff, make sure to subscribe. Also, feel free to follow us on Twitter and Instagram and our Facebook page in the description as well. For anyone who's interested in camping, hiking, and outdoor activities, click like and follow us. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.